Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get throwing knives in Monster Hunter World. Throwing knives are useful for applying status effects without committing to weapon hits. You can obtain throwing knives from Gajalaka enemies and from arena quests. Once obtained, you can craft different versions like poison knives or paralysis knives. These items are mainly used for utility such as interrupting monsters or triggering status buildup safely. Keep in mind throwing knives are supply items. This means they disappear once the quest ends and cannot be stored permanently. And that's how to get throwing knives in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.